This is my spring pond. It leaks. This tree is most likely the cause of it because it comes out right underneath that tree on the other side of this dam. But if you go down to the upper end of it, you'll see the springs. You'll see that it'll be a nice spot to build a spring box if I can figure out how to do it properly. This will be very new to me, but yeah, there's my spring right there. Come over here. There it is. Comes out all the way to the dam. Springs, here's 1, 2. I think there's a little bit right over here coming out of that. Then I have some that have like the iron in it. I won't be tapping into those. But if you look, follow these few together, we get a little tributary started, and then a good flow going through there, all the way to what looks like someone built a spring pond before I bought this property. It leaks, it has a few problems. That tree, probably the roots cause leaks. There's rocks in the dam, that'll cause leaks. I'm thinking about tearing it down and maybe putting it back. The spring itself, it has really good flow when it gets over here. You can tell. If you can hear the water, it's got a good flow. So what I'll do is I'll come clean all of this crapola out of here. This tree, which is a black willow, swamp willow is another term used for it. But I need to get all of this dirt off of the top of this rock, build the spring box over here, make it overflow into this area. If I come back here and build another little dam off of this rock right here, go across this whole area with this other dam, I might be able to create a little pull action back here, and then it drops over into this pond pool and have two little areas separated. From this location, you can see the field above it, and if you was to go even further to that tree line on the other side of the field, that's the road line, and the other side of that road is a mountain. It goes up a couple of hundred more feet. And I believe this spring is the flow when the water soaks in from rain. It finds its way down to the rock where I'm at standing right now. And this is the path of least resistance where it comes out of the ground or on top of rock and the ground. Hopefully I can utilize this spot as a spring and have fresh, clean water for my homestead.